morning to everyone. This is my really routine. Wake up in the early morning, magmamadali, mag-shower, ready myself, and after, go to work. Pagpunta ng work, may araw pa. Paglabas ng work, wala ng araw. And then, after work at the evening, going back home, and then go to shower, play, and then after play to my baby girl, and after that go to sleep, and then morning wake up, shower, go to work, like this lah. So kailan pa kaya ako yayaman? Trabaho ko ng trabaho, how many years pero hindi pa rin ako yumayaman. Nagtatrabaho ko for everyone. Oh my God, kailan pa ba ako yayaman? Yung feeling mong nakaupo ka na lang, kahit nakaupo ka may pera ka, ganun. Dito hindi ka pagod, wala kang pera. Hindi ka maging masipag, wala kang pera. Paano naman? Ang hirap ng buhay. Kailangan kumilos. Kahit pagod na yung isip, puso mo, yung katawan mo, pero sige, go ka pa rin. Dahil kailangan.